morning, I'm Mandy. The weather is extremely cold. Today, I will introduce you an activator. Behind me, there are two activators. They are all from Caterpillar. The model is 320. It means the counterweight is 20 tons. And then I will introduce the bucket. The capacity of the bucket is 1.2 cubic meters. The length of the boom is 5.7 meters, and the length of the arm is 2.9 meters. Then I will introduce the most important things of the activator. The engine is the key of the working. The power of the engine is 170 horsepower. Then I will introduce the overall situation of this activator.